been watching this channel for quite some time actually, and I'll show you some of the things that he does on his channel. You'll find stuff like moose jerky, and I think the latest one was rabbit on the river. One of my favorites that I really enjoyed was when he was renovating the shed. And I think he only been on YouTube for maybe a couple years, a year, maybe a couple years. I know I've been following him for about 6 months or 6 or 8 months. So I enjoy his content, and I think you will too. And I think one of his very first video, I believe, was salmon fishing. So if you like that sort of thing,
just out of practice,
go check him out. So where is it that I'm going to put Darrell? I'm going to put Darrell right by in the backyard with Dill. Darrell and Dill. And I'll put his other one, Handcrafted by Darrell. And so this is my brother Darrell, and this is my other brother Darrell. Go check this channel out. The stickers have been slow for a past while. So if you're interested in sending me a sticker, the email is in the About page. I'm more than happy to put it on the door.